Good evening, Shiz, Matt and Elias here.
For another unboxing. This time, pop in the box.
No.
Yes.
Yeah. Pop in the box. One of my favourites.
Oh, I'm not sure whether it is Pop in the Box.
You want
I think it is because it said Cherry Martin.
it.
Well, guess what?
What?
Oh no, it won't be the same, don't worry.
Didn't think it was.
Oh, it's
Bombshell.
special edition.
Ooh.
DC Bombshell.
I made
Harley Quinn. You gonna show? Gonna show? Show the world.
Make it a better place.
Me show it.
Go on then.
Got to turn it all the way around so then they can see the sides. Like this. Wow.
You
We've got other bombshells on though, and we've only got
We've
one
got
other
the mini
bombshell.
ones, isn't it? Oh yeah, we've got Catwoman. Is it? Oh.
Sorry, folks.
Not from this set though. Different set.
Been out to the park. Just got
So-
back. Bit tired.
Very nice.
Very hungry. No, very nice. Yes, I like that pop. Very nice indeed.
So we actually have another Harley Quinn coming that we've bought ourselves, haven't we? Birds of Prey
But
Harley
it definitely
Quinn.
isn't the same one.
So
Very nice indeed.
that's all for tonight though.
Till next time, keep it real.
Bye bye.